Hi, my name is Sarah Bradley and I am a 4th grade teacher at Woolwind. Right now our class is working on a novel engineering project.
The witch's broomstick broke. I'm trying to make another one newer.
We're being engineers and building something to make it not break.
To build the stick, to fix the stick. Common sense.
Okay, yes.
They watch a video, the book Room on the Broom. I asked them to think about what problem are the characters facing in the story because we are doing text structures and reading right now.
Think big and you can think out of the box and you can think out of the world.
So maybe she can use her magic wands.
I want you to think about what supplies you could possibly need to build both of those engineering solutions.
Mason, we could use these. Look, there's a little broom.
We could use the bubble wrap.
We could. Yeah, we can go faster.
And it's really interesting because they came up with all different problems.
We're trying to build a broom that will hold enough weight so that it will not break.
She needs a helmet to protect her stuff from falling off.
And so then they designed a blueprint with labeled parts. Once that was approved, they were able to actually build their prototype.
It was going to be like a seat, on the broom with a seatbelt.
You know, the teacher's not telling you what to do. How's that?
Because you just get to make your own and make your ideas and make it your own.
I want every child to be involved in the process. I want them to see that it's okay to take a risk. It is okay to fail. And it's really neat to see different levels of learners coming up with different ideas.
Me personally, I do not like reading. And engineering, you get to build stuff and tape stuff. And just have fun.
Hi, I'm Lisa Myers from Rogers Elementary and I teach kindergarten and we're working on project-based learning with force and motion.
Spoons, paper clip, pencil.
Today we explored making catapults to learn how different weights affect the force behind how we can launch different items.
Figuring this out by twisting it.
We're talking about incorporating different aspects of the curriculum into one type of unit. So for the science project, we looked at math. We were exploring how far we can launch things, so we were measuring distance. We talked about the engineering process of design, build your model, test it, and evaluate it, and then possibly re-engineer it if it wasn't working right.
It wasn't working because of what?
Because this popped out, and it's not supposed to do that, see? And if you fix it like this, it starts to go again. Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, it does.
We try to make everything fun. So once they're doing those hands-on activities, they get to explore more in-depth. And that's what we're really looking for. To develop those critical thinkers, we need some more in-depth activities in the classroom. They need to be able to collaborate. They need to evaluate. They need to re-engineer. And those are all words that we use every day in the classroom.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
We know that children have to be able to do the independent work, but they also have to be able to work in a group of their peers. So we look at a lot of collaboration skills. We do a lot of team activities, and we try and build those partnerships in the classroom that really work off each other's strengths and weaknesses. No one fails in this room. Everybody gets a chance to figure out what went wrong. So we talk about building those success skills by trying things over and over again. I talked to parents at parent-teacher conferences, and they said that was the first thing their children said when they got off the bus. We're building catapults tomorrow. We're doing this at school. And when the parents are excited and the kids are excited, I'm excited. Whoa! That went pretty far.
Hi, I am Susan Wiedemann. I teach at Margaret Brookley Middle School, 6th grade science. And we recently did a project which was called Create an Invention.
My invention is the koala pack.
This is the hover carpet. We have invented a delivery RC car, and this is the DRS.
The only constraint that they had was they had to invent a tool that could be used in the future to make your life more improved.
If you have an injury, if you're sick, or if you have a disease, the DRS will help out a lot.
The koala pack, because it's basically a koala that can open, and basically it carries your stuff for you.
A floating car that just flies around anywhere.
They said that the hardest part was actually they had to vote to figure out the best design and the best idea.
The person that made the idea, Owen, he got really mad. He wanted us to do it, so we just decided to do it.
I thought of a huge scanner,
Technically,
but
it was me,
then Tori thought that, you know, make it a little bit smaller to scan you, and I was like, yeah, that makes sense.
It wasn't just a paper pencil activity. It wasn't just picking the right answer out of the choices.
We used math a lot. We had to make the cardboard side by side. With any idea popped in our head, we put it on here and see how it looked. If we liked it, we'll keep it. If we didn't, we just scrap it and start all over.
I thought of the design like you know, the scanner and all that, and then Tori thought of other ideas like, you know, this metal sheets.
It's very enjoyable to see when the kids get so excited. And you also see kids that might not do so well academically on paper pencil tests or assessments like that, but on this one it reaches all the disciplines, it reaches all the learning styles. I did not see one child that wasn't engaged. Every child was engaged and excited.